Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to color grade fast in Adobe Premiere Pro. And so what I have on the timeline here is just a clip of me outside, and then I also have a clip of me inside. Now as you can tell, the lighting differences are a little different. So in order to make them consistent, the best way we can do that is to use the match color feature in Lumetri Color. So first things first, we'll go ahead and switch on comparison view. And then we'll scroll back to the original clip right here, and then go to Lumetri Color, drag it on over, and get our color wheel and match. But before we do that, I do want to mention that if you want to use a different reference clip, as you can see here, that's the clip that's selected here in the current, and then the reference is over here. If you want to select a different reference clip, you can just use these little toggles to toggle between different files. In the meantime, we got a reference here. So go ahead and hit apply match. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can color grade fast in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san, signing for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.